Sharon? So guys, all the vegetables are grown and ready to be transported to their new homes. So we're gonna create a 10 by 10 greenhouse that comes in the mail tomorrow. Right here. Super Mother Day's present. Finally got her soil. Dun, dun, dun. You can't drive, Sharon. Last night, my mom and my dad and me went to go steal. Well, we didn't steal it. They were just there. It's like 3,000 of these joints. Railroad tracks. It looked all good yesterday like we were done, but hell no. We got more tracks, put them around. Now we get to put the greenhouse on top of this, drill it down so it won't blow away, because that was the biggest fear. So now we're about to put some metal in the tracks so they won't pivot or move or anything like that. And yeah, make it look all beautiful again.